In the last tutorial, we designed a complete website in Canva and published it using Canva's free subdomain. While that works for personal projects, it's not the most professional option if you are building a business or a portfolio website. In this video, I'll show you how to connect your own custom domain to your Canva website. With a custom domain, your website looks professional, builds trust with clients, and improves your brand identity. So, by the end of this tutorial, your Canva website will be live on your own domain, complete with free SSL and privacy protection, giving you a polished professional online presence. So now let's get started. To use your own domain, you need a Canva Pro account or higher. So make sure to upgrade your account to a Pro account. Let's say this is your Canva website you already designed and you want to link it to your domain name. Click the small icon next to Publish in the toolbar to open a panel on the right. On the right panel, go to Site Address and under that, click Get a New Domain. And you see these two options. Option 1, bring your own domain that you already own with another registrar. Or option 2, buy a new domain directly through Canva. If you don't already have a domain and you want to buy one through Canva, click the second option. Then click Continue. Enter the domain name you want and search to see if it's available. With a new domain, you get free hosting, free SSL certification, free privacy protection, and more. If the domain is available, it will show up and you have the option to buy it. The price here is shown in my local currency, which is in Naira. Yours may be in your local currency, in dollars or euro. Click Claim Domain to buy. Enter your details, your name, email, address, and payment information. Then place your order. Once purchased, check back later after some few minutes to few hours, and then the domain will be available for you to select and use with your Canva website. If you prefer to buy a domain from another registrar or you already own one with another domain registrar, select Bring Your Own Domain and click Continue. Enter the domain name without www or http, then click Continue. Canva will then give you DNS records to add in your registrar's DNS settings. These records tell the internet how to route traffic for your domain. You'll be provided with an A record to connect your domain name to Canva through an IP address, another A record to connect your subdomain, and a TSC record to verify domain ownership. These are part of the domain setup and control how your domain connects to Canva's servers. So you need to log into your registrar's account to update these DNS records. In my case, I already have a domain I want to connect. I'll log into my Namecheap account and select the domain I want to connect. The process is similar for most other registrars like GoDaddy, domain.com, Google Domains, and others. Click Manage beside the domain name. On the domain details page, go to Advanced DNS. Right now, my records are managed on my hosting account because the domain is hosted on Namecheap servers. To manage DNS in the domain account, I need to transfer the DNS back. So I'll go back to the domain tab, then scroll to Name Servers and change from Custom DNS to Basic DNS. I will confirm the changes, then return to the Advanced DNS tab. Now I can see the existing DNS records like the CNAME record and a redirect record. We'll replace this with Canva's DNS records. So click Add New Record, then select a record. Copy the host name from Canva and paste it under Host. Copy the IP address Canva provides and paste it under Value. Leave the TTL as automatic, then save. Go back to Canva and click Record Added. Canva will then provide the second A record for the subdomain. Copy the host and IP address. On Namecheap, create another A record and add the host and IP address. Then save. Back in Canva, click Records Added. Finally, Canva provides a TST record. Copy the host and value, create a TXT record, then add the host and value, then save. Back in Canva, click Records Added, and now all 3 records are added. Next, click I have updated my DNS records to confirm. Canva will then begin syncing your domain. DNS updates can take some time, sometimes just few minutes and sometimes up to 24 hours or more, depending on your registrar. In this case, it took about 5 minutes. So whether you buy a domain from Canva or you are connecting one from another registrar, just wait a while after updating DNS records. Then go back to your free website. Click here to open the right panel and then open site address. Now you will see your domain. So select your domain, click Publish Changes. If the syncing is not complete, you will see your website will be live soon. You can click here to check the domain settings in your Canva profile to track progress. And as you can see, it shows connected while verification is still in progress. At this stage, visiting the website may give you a 404 error. Once verified, you will see your website is now live. Click View Website to visit your website. Your website is now live on your custom domain, hosted on Canva servers with free SSL and privacy protection. You also notice that the Design by Canva branding, along with the default policy and terms links, are now gone. With a Canva Pro account and a custom domain, those elements are removed, giving your site a cleaner, more professional appearance. You can now create your own privacy policy and terms pages, then add those page links directly in the site footer. This customization gives your website a polished, professional look that reflects your brand. With a Pro account, you also have access to analytics. Click Analytics in the toolbar. Here you can view your site traffic, the traffic sources, the devices used, and the number of visits or clicks you get. And that's how to connect your custom domain to a Canva hosted website. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.